One of the most comforting sounds in the world is the bubbling of a coffee percolator at work. And then comes the toasty aroma. It makes for a perfect morning. Percolators have come back to home kitchens. And the Presto 12-cup stainless steel coffee maker is a prime example. Its elegant, hotel-style design brings a touch of luxury to what is for many a daily pleasure. This coffee maker brews up to 12 cups of coffee at a cup-a-minute rate, which it then keeps at a constant, piping hot serving temperature. An indicator light in the base announces when the coffee is ready. The inner fixtures. The filter basket and perk tube are also made of stainless steel, rather than the more common aluminum. The power cord is removable to make storage simple. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Before cleaning the coffee maker, unplug the unit and allow it to cool completely. Wash the coffee maker with warm, sudsy water and dry it thoroughly. It is not immersible. To preserve the gloss of the stainless steel, do not use steel wool or harsh, abrasive cleansers. The perk spout and filter basket can be cleaned with a brush or pipe cleaner. If necessary, coffee stain remover can be used periodically on the interior surface. The coffee maker measures 10 by 5 by 13 inches. Presto guarantees this product with a 1-year limited warranty. A simple instruction sheet is enclosed. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Brews are great tasting coffee, rich, hot, and flavorful. Number 2. Makes 2 to 12 cups of coffee as fast as a cup a minute, then keeps it piping hot automatically. Number 3. The easy pour spout and traditional design provide elegant coffee service anytime. Number 4. Luxurious stainless steel construction for easy cleaning and lasting beauty. Number 5. Made of durable stainless steel including the filter basket and perk tube. Signal light indicates when coffee is ready to serve. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.